Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back. Down here at Rocky Fork, going to do a quick little walkthrough of L500 cabin. This is up in their captain's circle. We're down here for a week, and yeah, in the same cabin as we were last year. This is the pet-friendly one, and I brought the dogs. So I have unloaded the dogs in their kennels. They are locked up safe until I get unpacked, but I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough. So let's go and take a look. Alright, L500 pet unit. Same unit I had last year, but I had heard that it was remodeled and updated, so let's see what's different. So outside, entryway, two nice rocking chairs, and your outdoor table, and your barbecue grill. All right, let's go inside. As we enter inside, close the door because it is cold. We have our sofa bed, little gas fireplace, TV, two chairs with a table, over to the right here we have the dining room table with 4 chairs, kitchen, coffee pot is out, utensils, all the other cabinets are empty. Underneath the sink we have some Dawn and some paper towels, draining rack. Sink is clean. Sorted cups and dishware, empty. And we have a toaster oven. Other cabinets all empty. We've got a microwave. Not a convection oven, just a large microwave. Gas cooktop with stove. I was going to say clean, but it is not clean. There's some food in there. Over here we have utensils, other pans, and Lazy Susan. Across from this we have towels, more utensils, and pots and pans. We have a basket here that is usually down here with this. There we go. Okay, welcome to the ranch. Okay. We have some ice already made. Oh, nice touch, guys. Nice touch, thank you. And all clean, smells good. Welcome to the lake house. And this is actually a 2-bath unit. First bath, commode, sink. Across from this is a corner shower, nice size. Towels, washcloths. Then you have the master bath, which has a commode. Across from it is a sink and the jacuzzi tub. And it's nicely laid out. All right, let's go into the master bedroom. King size bed, nicely decorated. We've got, I believe there was a little TV in here last time. Yep, little TV set. with a DVD. With DVD, how about that? Old oil lamp. No oil in it. That's cool. And some empty drawers. So put all of your items away. All right, and here we have storage closet, extra blankets and pillows, and a box fan if you need a box fan. So a little bit of storage. There we go. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs and check it out. All right, we are up in the loft. Very nice up here. 2 double beds. Nice ceiling fan. Nice little garfish over there. Pretty cool. Plenty of space on both sides for walking around. Power outlets. Let's see if there's one on the other side too. There is. So we got power outlets here. Little storage cubbies if needed for luggage, that type of thing. Nice view. Yeah, a little bit of snow out there, huh? Snow's starting to come down. Pretty quiet out there today. It gets cold. All right, well, thanks for stopping by on this little walkthrough of L500 down here at Rocky Fork Ranch Resort. Gonna have a great week. All right. Thanks for stopping by again. We'll see you on the next one.